Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. This is our lecture number 7. This lecture is at page number 105. The part is B. Read out the text and express your opinion and personal preferences. Multiple choice questions. The first statement is the main idea of the poem is. The first option is the sun gives warmth. Second is the sun is not enjoyable when it is too hot. Third option is the sun shining on the earth is like a gardener caring for his garden. Fourth option is the sun is really a large ball of fire. The most suitable option for this statement is the sun shining on the earth is like a gardener caring for his garden. Second statement is which one of the following is the best summary of this poem. First option is the sun is the great gardener. The sun brings beauty in different ways to different places. Third option is the sun is better than the rain. Fourth option is the sun is a nuisance. The most suitable answer for this statement is the sun is a great gardener. Now come to part C. Find the facts, mark each one true or false. Read the poem first and then try to solve it yourself. I have solved this for you. Let's read it. The sun shines over a large area. True. We can keep the sun out by closing the blinds. This is also true. The sun brightens the dusty attics. This statement is also true. The sun makes the ivy shine. This statement is also true. Fifth statement is the sun makes the hills look blue. It's false. The sun paints the roses with a brush. This is false statement. Let's read part D. Find the order number of the following in the order in which they appear in the poem. You have to read the poem first, then try to write their numbering. As I have read this poem and I have written two for you. I saw more thicker than rain he showers in his race in the first stanza, so that's why I wrote over here first. He slips his golden fingers through. This was in second stanza, so that's why I have written second. You also read the poem and write their numbering in front of every statement like this. Your next part is vocabulary. In vocabulary, let's read part A. Deduce mean guess the meaning of the following words. Confirm your meaning from the dictionary. I have written all these meanings for you on my book. You also write these meanings on your books. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Take good care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.